really sorry about the fact that the escalator didn't work. So means the Swiss are not always so efficient. I don't know, the first time that I saw that escalator, and even the elevator was broken, was stopped. I don't know why. So thank you for managing to go up on the other side and coming back without problem. And yeah, as you can see, the beauty of the real beauty of St. Moritz is this dusty landscape. Now you will see the lake that we are going to run through, the lake of St. Moritz. So again, okay, the city is nothing special. Okay, it's luxurious in the shops, but then nothing. I mean, a lot of village in the Alps are, let's say, normally more traditional. This is a mixture of modern stuff, luxurious stuff. Let's say real lovers of mountains doesn't like St. Moritz. I mean, I'm talking about the and you know, instead the both sides of the mountains with the ski resorts and the lake panorama are very good. Also they call St. Moritz the sunshine place because they claim they have more than 200 days of sunshine per year. Look on the left, Grand Hotel de Bank Kempinski. This is of course a famous hotel, classical, built beginning of the 20th centuries, and there are casino here inside. There are furniture of old, antique, and they have of course the thermal bath, they have the casino, swimming pool, you know, a lot of amenities here. You can imagine it's a very nice place. So Grand Hotel Kempinski is one of the five-star hotel existing in St. Moritz. Now, please don't fall asleep. We have 4 hours of driving to reach Milano, but the first 30 minutes, next 30 minutes will be very nice, especially the Maloja Pass. In about 20 minutes we will reach the Maloja Pass. I can guarantee, which is something you've never done before. I mean, you will see it's a pass. We're going down 800 meters in 10 minutes, and it's very something you will remember. So don't get asleep until the Maloja Pass. So about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, then you have 3 hours to rest. And even now there are the 2 lakes. So as I told you, Lake of St. Moritz is the small one. Is most part of the year is frozen, and they do ice skating in the winter, and they play polo. So you can imagine winter with all ice and good light, and they play polo. That's something quite unique, that lake.